Hi, we are at 876 South Gaylord. We're going to be taking a look at this main sewer. It had been filled with roots, but it has been cleaned. And all of the holding water and waste is removed from this area here, which was plugged. You will see all the way down through here a layer of buildup on the top of the pipe. That indicates just how much of this pipe had been holding at different times. I don't think it had been cleaned in many years. All of that debris on the top, that happens when water is flowing deep and slow because of restrictions from roots. All of that is just debris built up. It looks much better now. Here's our belly. We do have a low area in this, and it has been described on the report. You notice as we pull back, it will break over the lens. That tells us it's less than 1.5 inches deep. So it's something that if we're careful about what we put in here, it shouldn't cause major issues. You see there are a few remnant roots, but that's pretty normal. With as big as these roots were. That one there is bigger looking, but it's still a very thin root. But this thing is going to need occasional cleaning. You notice all the way through the first 42 feet, well actually about 27 feet of this, it's just a little bit low, but it's not enough to be a major issue for us. Because all of this is 1/2 inch of water in a 4-inch pipe. That's not enough to give us issues. As far as the structure goes, it's very good between here and the tap. There are no significant cracks anywhere along this way. We are getting near the tap where you will see a significant crack though. We just went into a 6-inch pipe right there. As we come down, that's the actual collar to the tap. Now, our sewer, we're going to push in there. You can see that white with that little check-marked edge line going down there. That's because this is actually a relined city sewer. It has been, the city has gone in and redone this entire sewer. That means that from their opinion, from their side of what they could see the tap, they were fine with it. Didn't feel like it was leaking anything, or they would have forced it to be repaired. But as we back up, you will see there is a substantial chunk right there. It's about 2 inches by 2 inches of the bell hub of that collar is broken. It has moved some and is pretty visually easy to see. Not going to get missed on any inspections. Right now, not affecting function. If that piece were to come free, you would see significant water loss and probably worsening conditions here. That chunk is a big size chunk. It is close enough to the bottom of the pipe that some flow would go there, and you would see it be able to lead to some big trouble if that piece were to come free. Right now it's completely functional, not affecting anything, but does have some long-term risk there that if that does move, does come free, you get a major loss of water right there. So that's our sewer, and we will stop right there.